Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Notion templates for daily planning in the USA detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening the Notion app on your device or accessing it through your browser. Create a new page by clicking on the plus icon in the left sidebar. Title your page Daily Planning Template to reflect its purpose. Choose whether you want a blank page or start with a template from Notion's gallery. If you prefer using a template, click on Template Gallery and search for Daily Planner. Select a template that resonates with your planning style. You can customize sections such as tasks, schedule, and notes to suit your needs. To edit a section, simply click on the text and replace it with your personalized titles, like today's top priorities. Adjust the date. Next, set up your task list by clicking into the task section and adding your to-do items. Utilize checkboxes for tasks to keep track of your progress throughout the day. If the template includes a schedule section, input your appointments and reminders accordingly. Incorporate a reflection or end-of-day section to summarize your achievements or lessons learned. Consider adding a habit tracker by creating a new table or database linked to your daily planning page. To enhance functionality, you can integrate other pages, such as a weekly overview or project planner. After making your changes, remember to click on the Share button if you want to share the page with others. Review the template regularly to make sure it continues to meet your needs as you evolve. Experiment with different layouts and styles until you create a comfortable daily planning experience for yourself. Finally, save your template to easily access it each day, helping you maintain an organized and productive routine. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.